car? What's that name? What's that? Car, that's right. What are you eating? What are they, Liam? Are they grapes? Can you say grapes? Not that. Grapes. Say grapes. Liam, say grapes. Oi, cheeky monkey. Gonna give Daddy a kiss? Oi! Coming to give you a kiss. Coming to give Liam a kiss.